2 or 3 different types in that pattern using parameter types. It just complicated. So this would be a base add mode. This right here is add. This is that add okay, so we got that going on. That is add mode. And then that's just going to be fun. What is this? Snap screen. Oh, so everything done fine. We define the screen, and then we say that screen. That's a screen that's going to pipe into a base admin calculation, plus it's submission, and if that is successful, then we return the submission.admin ID into a clear and block also. We're creating 2 different screens. One is a screen for the user ID. Another one, I believe, is a screen for admin ID. But it's not for clear for that. This is for admin. This would be admin again. Now, what yeah, it is an admin. So you should check the admin again. Apparently they require admin ID. Get it? You said your mic is scratching, something up with your mic. Wasn't sure if you were preoccupied by the phone. Yeah, your mic is really bad. It's crackling. Oh, really? Should I just, I don't know, I could,
or my earbuds and just use the mic on StreamYard. Or I'm tired. Does it sound better if I unplug my headset? I just bought these earbuds like 2 weeks ago. Okay. Yeah, that's messed up. Yeah, people keep mentioning it, but I don't hear it. Like, for example, if I go to actually, hold up. How does this work? If I go to YouTube, why does it take so long to get to YouTube? All right. Okay, even if I click on my video that I'm streaming now, and I just want to hear a part of it. Can I click on a segment of it and hit play? There's crazy latency, so maybe it won't let me. No, hold up. I don't hear anything. Is that the way I really sound? Like there's nothing coming out? Guess so. Okay. Yeah. Never knew. All right. So thing is I hear audio fine out of here, but I didn't know my microphone on it was messed up. It's messed up, man. I can't find a good set of earbuds. I feel like after 2 months of having anything, they just fall apart. But what was I at? Admin cancel function. And so there should be this courier cancellation thing should probably be I don't have an admin cancellation thing. I didn't just do that. Admin. Okay. Well, what do you look like? Customer. Yeah, this is right here, right? And so control should be that shouldn't I'll periodically check my messages. Yeah, that's technology. They all want you to just keep buying the same product from them. Like I have bought some Bose earbuds, and those cost me $160, and it lasted me like I think like 8 months, and then they started acting up on me. And when I wanted to repurchase it, it was like $250. I'm like, no, I'm not paying $250 for something that lasted me only 8 months. And so these earbuds I bought for like $20. Now I've had it for like I feel like I had it for less than 2 months. And people kept on telling me like, hey, the audio quality is like garbled. And they were telling me that for like the past 3 days, but I would listen to like my videos and I wouldn't hear anything until like literally just now because I was hearing myself like loud and clear. But oh no. All right, so where am I at? So this just built, right? Um, but we gotta replace that and that and that. Okay. And is there anything else? No, I think we're straight. All right. So yeah, I keep buying $10 earbuds and they last me forever. That's never happened for me. Uh, so I'm losing my train of thought. Where am I at? I'll check this in. What is this event log, right? That's what I just updated. Subscription.event log. Topic.admin canceled. Yeah. So I'll say added admin canceled option, something like that. Check that in. And what else? This is the customer All this is stemming from a test that I was preparing. This over here. This is courier cancels acceptance. So when I eventually run the customer app and then I run the script, the customer app should get a status update of courier canceled. And then 3 seconds later, it should get a status update of the admin canceled the order. Okay. Now, what does that really look like? I don't know what that really looks like. I could try to find an example. So we know that our C# client is going to be looking at this as an example. So that's mock. That's active. How does this work? How does this work? Oh shoot, I got some more stuff on here I gotta do. This would be a admin cancel on admin cancel, right? Admin cancel like that. Okay. So what's on admin cancel look like? Apparently it's injected. Okay. Okay. How does that work? We'll do a on admin cancel like that, whatever that looks like. And there's no implementation for it. Okay. Was that which argument was this? Oh. Give me a second. This pre-pickup thing, I forget. You find. Oh God, fine. Come here. And it's the second argument after ETA. Okay. After ETA, second argument, and everything's fine. Is this concurrency hell? Oh, no, I don't think so. It's, what do you mean? I'm just trying to account for all the different events that can occur when during order fulfillment, like a courier deciding that they're no longer interested in fulfilling the order, and so they cancel the fulfillment of that order, and then it's up to the courier dispatcher system to find another courier to fulfill that order. But then if there's no more couriers available to fulfill that specific order, then we probably need to just cancel that whole fulfillment and let the customer know, hey, we can't satisfy your order. We're sorry. Like that's what I'm working on. Um, What's all this other stuff in here? Post pickup. Yeah, I don't think I have to do anything there. And so if that builds, then I could say added partial support for admin cancel, something like that. So you get that 100%, but I've had some problems with my application similar to that. But that one is a lot. Yeah, problems with your application similar to that. Well, you build an order fulfillment system. What is this customer app, right? Yeah, customer app takes a while to build. Mm. Yeah, it's gonna take a while for this one to build. I feel like because it's building this long, that there's probably no errors. It'll probably say there's 2 errors because it likes for me to rebuild the whole thing. But like in regards to managing state when the feature involves several parties. Yeah. Yeah. Which is all the more reason to use qualified types not to use qualified types. The whole notion of making the legal states unrepresentable. So you try to use your compiler to enforce business rules so that you have to use types that represent a specific state or session, user session of a system. It has to be qualified, and it's qualified by wrapping it in a specific type that reflects that. And then the compiler will enforce that type can only be used to invoke specific operations. Else, that type, without that type, nothing can be done, right? So occurs with smart constructors and stuff like that. All right, so that built, I could commit this, added partial support for admin, cancel. And this was supposed to be 30 minutes. I was going to try to get this in, but it ended up being an hour, and I'll take that, right? I feel like it's kind of like the gym, right? Like if I could just get to the gym, then it's almost guaranteed that I'll get a workout in. It may not be like the best workout, but I'll get a workout in. And so like if I could just start recording with Visual Studio open, like I can complete a task or two. All right. And that's really what software development is to me. It's a ultra marathon in which it's just step by step, day by day. You just keep completing tasks until you have eventually something that halfway works, right? And then you just refine it, refine it, refine it, refine it. So that's my philosophy. So you say, like, for example, have a video processing upload and profanity quarantine pipeline. Okay. And there's a lot of steps. Upload a video, change it to several resolution formats, then make the record, then upload to AWS, then run profanity check on AWS. And the user can publish the video before it is even fully onto the system, etc. Yeah, yeah. Um, I'm confused. I thought you were like a junior developer. I could have sworn I had a conversation with you about what languages, like what strategy I think people should take when selecting a language, and it shouldn't be based on what's in demand right now. That it's going to take you like a couple years to master that language, but what's going to be in demand like 3 years from now. Like I could have sworn that was you, or am I confusing you with somebody else? I think that was you, right? Because I thought you were talking about learning C# or something. You decided 2 years ago I wanted to make a YouTube call. Okay, yeah, that is you. Yeah, I've built. Let me see something. GitHub is longer. I always have to make sure whenever I type in GitHub, I have to like double check to make sure I'm typing GitHub and not Pornhub. Like this is my business machine, man. I don't want to make that mistake. So I always like pause and I read the URL. Like, yeah, this is GitHub. Okay. No, I attempted to build a platform that takes WordPress, um, Stack Overflow, YouTube. What's the other one? There's another WordPress competitor. I forgot what it's called. It's a blog engine, but I forgot the name of it. But basically, it takes people that produce content, whether it's YouTube, Stack Overflow, WordPress. I can't remember the other one. Stack Overflow, whatever the other one is. It takes all that stuff and it consolidates it, organizes it, and so then you can subscribe to a thought leader, and wherever their content is at, you'll get a feed of what they've been up to based on whatever platform they've been publishing content to. So, of course, I never finished it, and this was done in Elm. What is all this? Yeah, it was back in 2017. I don't know. This isn't my code. This is all Mitchell. This is all Mitchell's, man. Where's my code at? I could have sworn it was server. Okay, it's a server. Yeah, Medium. That's the name of it. Medium is the blog engine. So, and all this is written in Elm and F Sharp. The client side is Elm. The back end, the services is F Sharp. So, yeah. No, it's almost done. That's cool. Yeah, that's me. The application is clear, makes sense. Yeah, like a breadcrumb trail. Should call it breadcrumb. Yeah, Medium is a popular one. And I'm not really active that much on looking at people's blogs. Like mine is bizmonger.wordpress, but I don't think I'll publish anything in probably October of 2020. Well, no, that was like 3 months ago. I don't know. April implementing Azure Signal R. Yeah, I just do brain dumps, but other anything, right? Medium. It should be already priced on here. Yeah. So this is one of my acquaintances. I'm trying to recruit him to help me build something, but he's always busy and he's so good that if it's not his baby that he's working on, he doesn't want to work on anybody else's stuff. So yeah, he's in Nigeria. He's a beast. I've had him on my YouTube channel a couple times. He's a beast. So no, no. Medium is not what organizes the content. I was building I was building a platform called Nikeza that organizes content. Medium is similar to WordPress. It's just a blogging platform. So where am I at? Customer. Yeah, I'm tapping out right now. Yeah, I'm tapping out. So I'm about to get off. It's good catching up with you. GPS midpoint and distance functions is valuable info right here. Hold on, you talking about Medium or you talking about my code? Really? Which one are you talking about? Because my code has that stuff, right? So you just ingest data from there. I misunderstood. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I've seen you've been online for a minute. Oh, you're looking at my WordPress or something. I got a hella code for GPS and getting the distance between 2 points. I can tell you which service it's my courier dispatch service, I think. Uh, yeah. Calculate distance, midpoint. Yeah, man. I got all this crap that I can't even explain or articulate. But it's in here. It works. So what's your app idea? Oh, you say on my blog add a post. Okay. What's your app idea? I want to steal it and make money off of it. Yeah, I can't really function anymore. I'm tapping out. I wake up so early every day. I definitely got to work out tomorrow though. I gotta figure out what your app idea is so I can steal it. Like you're coming in and just looking at it. Well, all right. The person at the store takes a photo of the barcode of the product. They take a photo of a code on the user's phone. I think that already exists. That existed when Windows Phone came out. Windows Phone 7 came out. They were demoing stuff like that. Call it Peter. Who is Peter Thiel? Who is that? Peter. I don't even know how you spell Thiel. He's a German American billionaire, entrepreneur, venture capitalist, co founder of PayPal. Oh, he's a co-founder, so he worked with Elon Musk. Okay. No, I think that's already being done now. I don't know. I doubt it. Why it's not more popular? Like they already had. I remember when like Windows Phone came out like 10 years ago, and you can like scan an arbitrary barcode and get a description of whatever that product was on your phone. Like they got stuff like that out there. You're late to the party, man. But I'm exhausted, so I'm terminating this session. Thanks for telling me that I didn't have any audio on my stream. That was helpful because a couple of people were mentioning it, and I didn't believe them. But it's clear that there's some issues. So thanks for that. You said, especially with Corona. Oh no, that's not it's a transaction application. You misunderstood, but it's all right. That's best you don't. Yeah. Well, let me know how that works out for you when you build it. But I'm terminating this session. So take care. Thanks for keeping me company. Appreciate it. And we'll catch up. So if you don't have any other questions or comments, then I am out in 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm out. See ya. Bye.